CA Pate back at you with another mother sucking with another video. We're at the shop in Woodstock, Illinois, where we purchased the bike from. We're going to get an oil change today. So we're gonna leave it. It needs an oil change, and you gotta fix this down here. That right there is supposed to be connected right there, and it's not. So they gotta fix it. Hopefully it's something that's under warranty. Maybe a little clip or something came out. But we see they got a couple more up here. Got a couple more ooh, ready for that water. Ready for that water. Oh yes. We got a red and black one up here with this little speaker system. It's somewhat loud. Oh yeah, I know these speakers they JBLs, but I'm sure they booty. Shit, them speakers ain't hitting on nothing. So we're gonna go in here, drop this young key off, and get the hell out of here. Damn, homie, you need to get your roof redone. What's going on with this raggedy mother sucker? Sucker! We got this limited up here. Got this big limited for sale. If you're trying to get on that road and go, you got 200 on the dash. Y'all can have this one too if you want to come get it. Am Ryker for sale. It's a 900. See how much it's on sale for. Oh, there's no pricing. Oh, it's a rally. Got this nice little rally up here. Got another red one. It's a limited. It's huge. Huge, huge, huge. This is F3. I like the way the F3 look personally. It's for $21,400 plus tax. Here go a big limited. Oh well, it's a Spider RT limited. So I'm sure it got a few more toys on it. We're getting ready for that snow. I actually like this thing too. Yeah, I ride this around the city. I mess with it. Can you put a plate on it? I don't know. I'll roll it. I like it. I like this color on this F3. It's an F3 limited, so of course it's big. Got quite a few things in here today. Quite a few things. I think this might be my favorite that's in here today. I'm pretty sure this is my favorite. Yeah, I rock with this one. But if you're looking for a rally, you can come up here to Woodstock, Illinois and get this rally. That's a nice rally. Yeah. It's a nice, nice rally. I like it. We up here, Woodstock, Illinois. Oh, this one. This limited, Spider RT Limited got a tow hook on it. Nice little tow hook on it. Let's see if we got any bikes back here in the back. Nope, they're getting ready for that wintertime fun. They are getting ready for wintertime. Man, y'all done bought everything out. Bought it all out. See how these things, all the accessories that come with this stuff, they don't play around with these accessories. They got the extra seat, the comfort seat, everything is sold separately. Windshield. They got the gray, black, matte black, shiny black, red, yellow. They got the stuff that could go on the back of them for storage. I got this on there. It's like a little storage thing. You know, you can hold your phone and different things. That's so much stuff that when you come up here, they have such a big selection. You know, you could build your own bike out. So you got the 600. You got the 900. Again, you got the Rally Edition. So you get to hit the button on the bottom and start customizing your bike. So you just start adding stuff on right there. All right, they're telling you that the estimated payment, if you tried to finance this for 60 months at 6.99%, would be $201. So that would be the total. But as you can see, there's nothing on this bike. So when you look at my bike and I got the lights and the shifters and the this and the that, this is a plain bike, $201 at 7% interest for 60 months. It's like $10,000. But that, again, that's absolutely nothing on the bike. No toys on the bike at all. So these things are totally customizable, but you know, once you spend, let's say you buy a Rally and you spend with taxes and assembly fees and everything about almost $13,000, you know, or let's say $12,800, then you want to put all your toys on it. I promise you, you're going to put another $8,000 in just toys on the bike. So by the time you're done building it out the way you want to, you're at $20,000, you're at $23,000, depending on what you put on it. Exhaust, lights, jockey shifter, the this, the that. So it's the price of getting it. Now, you could save yourself some money if you're good at working on things. You could save yourself some money. But if you are not good at working on things, you don't save any money. You're just paying out of pocket, and this thing is going to come out over $20,000. So as I tell everybody, man, put your $5,000 to $6,000 to the side when you buy one of these things, because you're going to get addicted to trying to build it out. So until next time, my friends, we are out. C8 Pate. Hope you enjoyed the video. A little quick short one for you. Dropping out the bike at Jim Potts in Woodstock, Illinois. Dropping out the bike for oil change and to get that other thing done. And it's one recall that has to be done on the bike as well. So they knocked the recall out. I like these people up here. They're pretty nice to me. Yeah, your bill's a little expensive at times, but at the end of the day, if I wanted to save some money, I would learn how to do it myself and not have to pay, you know, $200 or whatever it is for an oil change. But until next time, my friends, C8 Pate out. Here on pickup day, picking up my bike from getting its oil change. So I'm on another day back here on pickup day. Wanted to just show y'all this one for sale up here for $11,000. It's a 2019. I like it. I really, really like it. It's nice. Nice. Got another one here for sale. I think this one's a 2020 Rally, and that was a 2019 Rally. green and purple. I like it. Got the hand guards on it. Got a little music on it. So if you want it, come get it. 11,000. 11,000. C8 back at you with another video. With another video. We back at you. That's the crew. Today we are in Joliet, Illinois, at a little some car show, having a little bit of fun. C8 Pate back at you with another video. Today we are in Joliet, Illinois, at a car and bike show, enjoying ourselves. Yes, sir. Let's see what we got out here. We got the whole crew. Like this wrap right here. This wrap looking good. Yeah, that wrap looking good. What else we got out here? We got this joint. Holding it, looking good. Got this RS. And we got the crew out here. Yes, sir. We are in Joliet, Illinois. Bikes, scooters. It's a one-day event where they get to come out here and they get to act a fool for one day. This is what I picked my bike up for. I got my oil change. Probably didn't really need it. Supposed to do an oil change once every 6,000 miles. But I got 7,000 miles on it almost. And I've done 2 oil changes, one last season and one this season. So I'm probably stick with the every season increments. Yeah, we got a couple bikes and not a lot out here. It's not, we're gonna see. We're gonna get it in. It's just starting. Gonna see what's cracking. Look at this fool over here spinning this dog around. Oh, Joliet, Illinois, boy. Mother sucker's crazy. I think that would have been entertaining if he would have hit that pole, right? Would have been a little entertaining. What is this? He is riding on some BS right here on this little Dodge. Go ahead, little homies. I see you. Okay, okay, okay. Got his wheel lights done. He just out here trying to show him a little something. I see you, player. Yes. Now, this is what a car and bike show is supposed to be. Once you got everybody showing off, this is what it's about. Somebody over here on this little go-kart. We out here. Okay. Uh-oh. Can he get it up? Can he get it up? That's what she said. Can he get it up? Can he get it up? What you got? What you got? Okay. He wasn't gonna do nothing. Yes, 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 yes. C8 back at you with another review, reviewing the Am Spider that my man got. We're gonna review it and see what upgrades he put on it. Yes, sir. So which one? This is the Am Spider. Which one? Just Am Spider, right? F3. F3. Yeah. So what was the first thing? What was your first mod that you did to it?
Probably sounds.
You did sounds.
Yeah.
All right.
Then through the 2 in the back end, I got a sub in the front, 8-inch sub in the front.
Right. 2 in the front, 2 in the back, and an 8-inch sub. So that's thumping. All right. And then what was your next upgrade?
And I had to put the wheels on there.
All right. And you did what else?
Did all those details. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. So the footrest and everything, those are upgrades.
Yeah, that's upgrades. All the yellow decals, upgrades. All the carbon fiber shit, upgrades.
I know that carbon fiber shit. Oh, yeah, I like that seat.
Seat is an upgrade. Carbon fiber, and then the front. Upgrade the backrest.
Crocodile seat, yes.
Then upgraded the exhaust.
What's this?
That's upgraded the suspension.
Oh.
Suspension on the back. The light up too, did that. Windshield's an upgrade. This here is dash piece is an upgrade. Mirrors upgraded. I even did a grill on the front, that's upgraded.
Put a grill in the front. Oh yeah, I'm digging the grill in the front. Yeah, you did quite a bit of work. What kind of exhaust is that?
That's the Acapulco's, got real deep throttle exhaust.
I like that exhaust. How you feel?
I've been here for like an hour.
You ain't been here no hour. I ain't even been here an hour. I got here before
You
you
was here
did.
when I got here. You ain't here.
You was busy with your fans, you know how to do. Yes, sir. That F3 looking good. Yes, sir.